you pass the star, taking up your broom out the way. We both is cleaning up the other stylish pole. They say we're doing it the wrong way. We're doing it the wrong way. So I guess you must be crazy to a bowl like we do. It's cool, we're doing it the wrong way. Not fool, no girls, just a rumor from the south, kicking it, slicking it, tricking it again. I love the feeling that I get when I strike. Well, that's the only time I feel alive. Don't need to baby, just need to strike. I love the feeling that I get when I strike. Do it, Fred! That's right, pass me those shoes. I'm ready for the bumper gun, so watch me shoot. If you get upset and you don't understand, it's quite alright, just follow your instincts. Physical activity's the way to free your mind, so get on your feet and fall to the funky beat. Fall to the funky beat. Fall to the funky, fall to the funky, fall to the funky beat. Mr. Clean, tell me, is that really you? I wonder what you've done to become so big and dumb. But I know you can change your lifestyle once again.